Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel for another plan with me for the month of February. And just jumping straight into it, I did a watercolor wreath with February hand lettered as my cover page and kept the dates pretty simple. And for the next page, I didn't really make it match, but I did put a social media tracker, important dates and goals, and I'll fill those out as the month goes on probably. And for the next weeks, I started midweek and added this watercolor piece that I did a while ago. And I started from Thursday and kind of made it match with next week with more purple and more florals, which you will probably see a lot because it is Valentine's Day month and I'm tacky like that. And then for the next week, which is actually Valentine's Day week, I overloaded it with red and hearts and roses, but I also watercolored and pasted in. And I'm not sure if I kind of went overboard with this, but I think it's kind of cute, a little tacky, but still kind of cute, you know. And then I also added some quotes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Very pink Valentine's Day page. And then for week 4, surprise, added more florals, and I kind of ripped the page there, so I try to cover it with a quote. Kind of messed up on the week part. This page is kind of a mess for me. And then it doesn't get better for week 5. I think I honestly got lazy because I got so mad at week 4. But yep, that is all of February. And here's just another quick flip through. I'm still trying new things with my bullet journal. I'm still trying to figure out what I like. So hopefully these videos get better and less of me complaining about my pages. But anyways, thanks for watching guys, and have a good day.